Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, if you live on Bodilion Street, either Victoria Island or Ikoyi, wherever Bodilion Street is, then you would no doubt be a neighbor of Bola Ahmed Tinubu because he lives on that street. And if you are a resident of that street, then you would no doubt already be hearing the drumbeat of the horsemen of the apocalypse as they circle round the Tinubu residence to carry out their final act. Guys, I bring you this. Giadom speaks on dissolving Tinubu's controlled APC NWC. So that's the headline, a lot of acronyms, and we will break them down into bits in a moment. But again, the headline, Giadom speaks on dissolving Tinubu-controlled APC NWC. So the NWC, of course, is the National Working Committee, which is the engine room of the party. But this guy is now moving swiftly to dissolve it and dismantle it. So now let's find out exactly what's led him to the decision to take this sort of action. The factional acting national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Victor Giadom, has finally parted lips on reported plans to dissolve the party's National Working Committee, NWC. It will be recalled that earlier today, President Buhari backed Giadom as the acting national chairman of the party, adding that his position was recognized by the law. Speaking during an interview on television monitored by newspapers, Giadom admonished members of the party to attend a virtual meeting with the president on Zoom, scheduled for Thursday, June 25. First, the agenda is to look at the ongoing crisis in the party and find solutions to them. My position is very clear. The National Working Committee cannot resolve the present situation in our party. A higher organ of the party, which is the National Executive Committee of the party, has the responsibility to wade into the situation that we find ourselves. But I am worried about some of my colleagues who do not want to surrender the situation that we find ourselves to a higher organ of the party that can find a solution for all of us. I therefore want to advise everybody, my colleagues and the entire NEC members, to avail themselves to the Zoom code that has been circulated to them and attend the meeting as scheduled. NEC will decide. I am not aware that there is any intention to dissolve the National Working Committee that is not before me. That is why it is at the meeting that a collective decision of the entire NEC will prevail at the end of the day. So you really have to pay attention to what he's saying, especially in the last paragraph. So it goes, I am not aware that there is any intention to dissolve the National Working Committee. So you think, of course, that there's no intention to dissolve, but then he added the proviso that is not before me. So there's no intention that is not before him. It's not to say that there is no intention. So is effectively in a coded way, is saying to the people, his party members, that unsheathe your swords and come at the ready to apply deep cuts. So deep cuts in the APC structure can only forebode dark clouds and dark tidings for Bola Tinubu, nothing else, because the whole of the apparatus of the party was hitherto being run from that Bodilion residence that we spoke about in the intro, but now it looks as though it's being moved either to Aso Rock or whatever home state this Giadom comes from. So Giadom is a name that we now have to research and familiarize ourselves with, because it's the hangman now that is putting the noose around the neck of the APC national leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Conversations in the comment section, plots, intrigues, sabotage, obfuscation, babi magbabe, majority, now you see it, now you don't, everything all mixed up in the APC party. What are their survival chances, this level of treachery, betrayal and, you know, just outright ruthlessness that goes on within that space. How do you think this is going to evolve into something that is clean and palatable to the Nigerian taste? All of this is on the table, so let's discuss it all in the comment section. But before you come join me to engage in that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then click on the like button as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. It enables us to invite more people, or at least for YouTube to present the videos to more people to come engage with us in our conversation. So do all three. Click on subscribe, click on the bell button, and click on like as well. Then come into the comment section and share ideas with me on this Tinubu APC Buhari saga, a never-ending story within the Nigerian space. Come let me know what you're thinking. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.